Oh my god, that's insane. Okay, so we got little bro right here. I'm gonna do a cut on him. He needs a cut. It's my mom's birthday coming up. He looks crazy. Okay.
I look like a donkey.
You look like a what?
I look like a donkey.
Alright, he looks like a donkey. Okay.
My hair.
Definitely looks like a donkey from Shrek. Okay, so what we're gonna do a little taper. We're gonna do a little taper in the back. But you guys usually see these on the tutorials, you know what I'm saying? These are the infamous ergos, gamma ergos. We're gonna freaking use these, man. This crap. Look at this shit. Look at this crap right here.
Imagine it just pulls my hair.
Look at that. Wow. It definitely is gonna pull your hair, but we're not gonna worry about that, are we?
What? Dude.
We're not gonna worry about that, right? It pulling your hair?
No.
Alright then. Just letting you know I'm not liable for any injuries.
Yeah, I'm gonna sue you.
These babies right here. Hopefully this comes out good, because I think it's gonna pull his hair, to be honest. I bought it on Amazon for 15 bucks and I don't know if it's gonna work or just pull his hair or make sure he doesn't have lice or anything, man. Alright, cool.
I look crazy.
Let's get you right. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna wet the hair, slightly saturate it. Slightly. That was a lot, I'm gonna be honest with you. The top we gotta saturate a decent amount. And the back taper, we don't gotta saturate too much. Depending on how much this clipper drags, like how much this like just doesn't cut, we're gonna wet it more. Obviously, we're gonna disinfect the clipper with some spray. Oh my god, that's insane. Oh my god, this is crazy. Make sure, you know what I'm saying, it's nice and oiled. Ready? Yep.
Yeah.
You sure are.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so first we're gonna start off by making our first bald guideline. Okay. Oh, isn't it?
Not that bad. It's not even pulling into actually though.
No?
No.
Oh, alright, bet. Bet. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, I could do this.
Now, like he trying to pull it, but not that bad now. Not even bad.
Okay.
Well,
Yo, this is ridiculous. I feel like now that I'm getting a little groove on, I can do it now, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm making a little guideline right here. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm gonna cut it at an angle. Let's see how this goes. Put your head down.
Perfect.
Like that, yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Chill. I haven't even started yet. Starting to work now. I get it. I get the hang of it now. Hey, decent. Y'all see this? We're getting into the lower part. We're gonna blend out this guideline right here. It's blending out. It's blending out really good. I gotta be careful with, like, I don't want to patch him. You know what I'm saying? I wonder if you could rake with this. Okay, so it is hard. It's hard to rake. That's for sure. You know what the problem is? I got a zero gap. I got a zero gap them. No, I'm just kidding. Oh shit. Obviously, I was just kidding. I don't know. Stay down. Stay down.
Yeah,
You're good.
I'm just looking in there. Oh, it looks perfect. It's perfect.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
Alright, you ready?
I'm getting there for sure. It's getting there. You okay, Isaiah?
Yes, I am.
Alright, cool.
Wow, that was really fast. But professional gives you.
Oh, guys, that's good. Now, let's fade this part. Alrighty, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Patient, Isaiah.
No. I want you to use the electric one. I mean, not the electric one, I'm sorry. I forgot what they call it again. The normal clippers. Because this one's like hurting me pretty bad. So.
Hopefully you don't get infected. No, I'm just fine.
No, what?
Oh, I'm blown.
No, hell no.
Okay. Now let's switch to our.
Bro, I was just looking left so hard. I'm trying to see like what range I can look at, but I'm like, oh damn. Ow. Every time I get it clips off a little hair, and it hurts. Like I get a shot somewhere or something like that.
That's how haircuts used to feel back in the day.
Yeah.
Remember, like when I used the electric ones, you feel shocked somewhere, some places, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, guys, it's coming in. It's looking nice. All right, guys. So, trying to blend out. I feel like I gotta blend out this part and this part a little bit. So I'm gonna go over here, do a little bit, do a little bit, do a little bit, and I'm gonna go over here, do a little bit, a little bit, a little bit there. And right there. That's a new technique. Okay, okay. You could do one choppers. You don't gotta go all crazy. More detailed work. Oh, this is more detailed work. How they detailed. That's raw. So now I can see how they detail worked. So we're gonna set in a line. I know you can't line up with these. Yeah, you can't line up with these, but I'm gonna use my liners and we're gonna make this crispy. And it just shows the fade could be okay, but as long as your linings are crispy, it'll pass. So let's start off with this side. Little detail work, I feel like I could. Man, that's crazy, bruh. Beast with it.